Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here, a digital angle gauge. So I'll open this up here and let's give this thing a try. And we'll see how good of an angle I have on certain things here around the house. Oh, comes with its own little battery, which is nice. AAA battery. There's that. And here is the device. It says GemRed, and it's got a little plastic coating over the display. And here is the battery compartment, which is going to require 3 teeny tiny little screws to get out there. So I'll go do that and be right back. Okay, so I put the battery in, just had to undo those 3 screws and put them in. And you can see I have my angle setting here, so digital angle gauge. So I just have to set this up on something and it'll tell me what my angle is. Let's see how poorly I did on my TV. Holy mackerel, I did pretty good. It's 0.2. Got a magnet on it, so it's magnetizing onto it. So 0.3 there, that's not too bad. Actually 0.1 now, depending on where I have it. But how cool is that? So that's my angle on that. If I want to, oh, could you even see? You couldn't even see the top of the TV. Here, I'll show you here. See, it magnetizes on there. Well, sort of, to stay on. And then, does it have a magnet on the top too? No, but then it gives you an error if you go too far out of kilter, I guess. I don't know. Oh, maybe if I went this way. Oh, if you lean forward or backwards too much, it gives you error. So that's that. But that's cool. So it'll tell me. So when I'm setting things up, it'll give me my angle gauge. So this will be good for like my camper, RV kind of thing there. So I can kind of set it and know exactly how level it is on the floor or pretty much anything. So pretty cool little setup. Can you guys see what it's doing here? Let me see if I get close. You can see it is as I move it, it does that. And it's cool. It's got a little groove there for the magnet thing, so I can magnet it onto anything. I have, this little cart here. It's magnetized. You can magnetize onto that. That's 0.7. Well, this way. I guess it's on wheels, so it's not going to be perfectly level. But actually something like my 3D printer or something like that, like these things here matter a little bit more. So that's 0.1. That's pretty close. My laser engraver is going to be 1.1, so that's way off. Yeah, that one, but it's the way I have it set up, it would be way off. But, so, pretty cool. I like this. This is going to come in handy for lots of things around here. And then when I'm done, I can just I hold down that button that turns it off. So I'll probably just leave it over here and use it for some of this stuff for now. So totally cool. Thumbs up.